Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Every person has this problem, this defect, that every one of us feeling jealous from the people. How it is? Jealous is like a fire. It is burning our good qualities. So welcome to Usman Nizami channel. So in this video we are going to learn how is the jealous, what happens. So here is a very nice and good and beautiful story is there. So let's start. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted to create Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created the statue of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and ordered all the angels come and see and visit Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. So all the angels, they came and they visited Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Among them, one Iblis is there. So Shaitan-e-La'in is there. So he also came and visited Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. What did he do? So he felt jealous. Seeing the Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, he felt jealous and he spit on the Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. So in which place? Middle of the stomach of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not like. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered the Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam, O Jibreel, remove that place where the Shaitan-e-La'in is spit on Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. So Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam took out that part and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered the Jibreel alayhi salam from that soil make a dog. So Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam took out that soil and from that soil Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam made a dog. So that is the reason that the dog likes the human beings. Always he lives with the human being. What is the reason? Reason only that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created the dog with the soil of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. And why that dog is prohibited? If the dog eats in any vessels, so we should wash one time with the soil and 7 times with the water, then only we can use that vessel. It is prohibited. Why reason? Reason is only that spit that is the spit of Shaitan-e-La'in. And what is the reason? The dog does not sleep whole night. So Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam, that soil touched the hands of Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam. That is the reason that the dog does not sleep whole night. So this was the story of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. In this story, in this lesson, lot of things are there. So who felt first jealous? So the Shaitan only felt jealous. Shaitan used to tell that I am the great. So this is the reason, my dear viewers, my dear friends. So what is the basic reason? Why one person feels jealous from other. What is the reason? Reason only that I am the great. Suppose one is a fair color and one is a black color. Fair color person tells that I am the fair color, I am a beautiful, I am a handsome. So now he starts the feeling jealous from black person. So and also everywhere means once if you say that I am a best, I am the best. So that is the result that so he feels jealous. So who felt first jealous? The shaitan la'in. So my dear friends, lot of lessons are there. Lot of lessons. All the problems in our society. What is the reason? Reason only that we are keeping the jealous in our heart and mind. And that is what is the reason? Yes, I am the good. Shaitan told that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created me with the fire, and Allah ta'ala has created the Hazrat Adam alayhi salam with the soil. Which thing is better? The fire is better. The fire is stronger. So my dear friends, the two brothers are feeling jealous. Reason? He got the new house, he got the new car, he got the big position, but I did not get. So if you feel jealous in place of getting anything, you are spoiling your mind, you are spoiling your heart, you are spoiling here in dunya, and also you are spoiling your akhirat also. So I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala show us the right way and protect us from the jealous. So please comment and suggest and advise me. Thank you for watching my videos.